Angel modeling. Yes. I'll just get all my cameras and stuff set up. Giant gas, hacky system. There we go. Alright, camera, done. Boom. Now if this doesn't look like VTuber stuff on the screen right now, that's intentional. Yeah. We have other plans for the start of the stream. I have something I want to show. Paste. Chaos, hello, Sijik, welcome. Alright, so I know my my screen looks like some Hackman Matrix wannabe, but we're going somewhere with this, and I think you'll like it. I have something very, very cool I'm super hyped to share. Okay, so we gotta take this number here. I'm doing like 6 things at once right now, so I hope y'all a little patient with me. You made it! Hello, everyone. How are you? I am fine, thank you. Let me paste in my stream into this box here. My video ID, and now Mule says, "I regret not saying hello saying every now and." It's okay, I did it for you. Last dude, welcome. So, I saved this. Now I'm gonna run this WJS, and if someone types something in chat, it appears there. Haha, the bridge is working, and also the bridge to the. I close it. Silly Billy. And also, so, god damn it, I type something in here. Hello, YouTube. It also appears. See, YouTube. Got the thing from Chaos. Hello, last dude. And then it pipes all that into here. And what the heck? That's not right. Why are y'all up there? Oh, there you go. But yeah. Now, whenever someone types in chat, it spawns new Sprungle for you. Oh, you can't see it because it's hidden by the stuff. Hang on. There it is. Special thanks, and we'll hide the chat party from. But yeah, so every time someone new types in either the YouTube or the Twitch chats, it spawns a new fella. Now they don't do anything yet. That's the next step, but yeah, it's now getting information from the chats. No, you know. Yeah. So whenever, if anyone cares to type something in chat on a new Strungle, it'll appear in the Godot, which is the game engine, here in the Godot's output section. And there we go. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Chaos. Yes, wow. Trinity, hello. So yeah, I think this is the. Yeah. My next job is to add some labels to each of them, so we know who's who. And then after that, we got to get the custom skins in. Hi, Trinity. But yeah, so this is the progress on the rebuild of Chat Party. Scuzzy, hey! Oh wait, no, that's not Scuzzy. Scuzzy's saying, yay, we love Scuzzy, and also Chaos. Hello, Chaos. We're stuck together, you and me, forever. I like how we're stuck like head to head on the side. Whee! Anyway, that's the progress with Chat Party so far. Tune in next time for another update. I got my day off tomorrow, so they'll probably hopefully be a massive. Oh, we got the day off, and then we've got the Scrungle episode. So that'll be cool. I'll have a lot done for the Scrungle episode. Anywho, yeah, this is oh, I still haven't got my VTuber thing up. I've already done that. That that's running. That's running. Yes, Trinity, welcome. How you doing? See face. Says I'm doing decent today. I'm glad. Wonderful. Neil says, has you seen this bug where it starts up small window before? No, I haven't. That was entirely new. I'm glad. I think maybe that's because someone spawned in just as everyone else was spawning in. And I don't know, maybe everyone else got hooked up on them somehow? I don't know. I don't know what the but yeah, so what do we think? Are you proud of me, Chad? Did I do good? Have I done it good? Also, Gray's in there now. So I did that. I took the time to put Gray in. They seemed kind of upset that they weren't they weren't in the Scrungles. Oh, but now they are. Lassitude says you did good. Yay! Thank you, Lassitude. How I managed to drag multiple at a time? Oh, so originally I thought the collisions were colliding, but it's the click area. No, they're not stuck together. See, put like a whole bunch of them really close together. Like so. It only grabs the two closest ones. So I think it's like the click area is really wide. And yeah, I can tune that in easy. I do quite like being able to grab a handful of Scrungles. Maybe I should set it to be like right click to grab a handful and then left click to grab specific Scrungles. Or maybe like shift. Oh yeah, shift left click to like make a big grab and then just the regular left click to pick up individual Scrungles. That might be a good control setup. Tony says eating them around seems. Oh my goodness, it is so much fun. I must spend like an hour today. I was telling myself that I was stress testing it. We had like 100. Like I hooked this up to like a really big streamer. We had like 100 little guys down there, and I just kept telling myself, like I had the resource manager open on the side, and I just kept telling myself, oh yeah, I'm doing this to stress test the system. I'm just keeping an eye on the RAM usage. I actually did pretty well. It wound up getting up to like a gigabyte of memory that it was eating up, which given I had like 100 Scrungles jumping around at the same time, isn't too bad. But I'm gonna be real. I was actually really just doing it because it's so much fun. It is so satisfying eating these guys around. Like, oh my god, I could do this. I could do this all the time. But it's gonna need some optimization before I can do that. It's a bit. Close this. But yeah, it is extremely fun. I hope it's at least a bit of fun to watch. So let's boot up Blender, you know, the actual point of this stream, and get back to work on our biblically accurate VTuber. Ta-da! Isn't she gorgeous? So I've got a few things that I want to experiment with. So I was checking out pictures of the first, what are they called? The Storm Joker. Look heckin' cool. So, Muir work motivation. Yes. Oh man, I love that emoji. I'm so cool. I'm so cool. I'm so cool. I gotta do a. I could come up with my own pattern though. Like my own Fox pattern paint thing. My own paint scheme. Sure. What Nexy about that? I feel like it makes this. Anywho. Have everything set up? I got the Okay, Firebot's working. Oh, yes, hi, just nobody, welcome. Um, Subtitles. Did I get the subtitle? No. Okay, subtitles going. Yes. Okay. Sometimes. Uh. Uh. Chat open this time. I'm not forgetting you this time. Just nobody says Angel looks great. Yes, I'm glad you like her. I'm very proud of how she's turning out. She's the gorgeous creature. But I was playing around a little earlier with the materials, and I realized take a couple of these spots, like the knees, the elbows, shoulder pads. Yeah, these gold. It actually looks really, really freaking. Just having a few spots of gold like that, they pop so well. But yeah. So one thing I want to try. So the first order. So not the. I think they call like the shadow troop, the dark troopers, or something actually like that. Uh, us, us, uh. Um, that's not. Oh, night troopers. That's what they're called. So edgy. Have a dark mode. Please have a dark mode. You don't have a dark mode. Lame. Oh wait, you do have dark mode. Yes. But yeah, they've got like the whole Kintsugi thing with the splits. And yeah, that's cool. So they've got like the whole Kintsugi thing with the cracked armor and then gold fill in between, and they've got large patches. And they've got these really cool sort of ribbons, bandages, whatever these things are. I was thinking that might be. Oh, here's a better picture. Like a toy line? Anywho. But yeah, I was thinking that this might be fun. Just have like a bunch of bandages, and it's fairly easy to do. I'm thinking like maybe a shrink wrap, so a spline, and then a shrink wrap. Might be a good way to go. But yeah, I do want to take a slight detour and try this out and see how it looks. They take a little bit. So just nobody. How you doing, buddy? Just nobody. Says personally, I like her partial but perfectly smooth appearance. It's befitting an angel. Oh, this is a very good point. I agree. I would still like to see how it looks though, because you know you never know until it's there. Because we did have a lot of ribbon stuff initially in the concept art, and it just didn't work. So I do want to try and see if we can get this to work, at least to see how it looks. I'm gonna add a mesh a curve, and then I think a path is what. Oh, no, what do you? Oh. Now I just want to wrap one around the lower leg. What happened? Head and delete out, and then we'll do something. Grab you. What says? Let's start with a single red wrap around her Left upper arm as a symbol of heart. Is that a thing? Like I mean the symbol of a pure heart. Wait, is this a bit? Are you doing a bit? Anywho, let's add some geometry. If I can remember how. I think it was extrude. And then we'll give it a material, and I think we just throw a material in here. Can. It says, okay, let's make it red because it suits. Then white circles to make it a bit more. Oh, could do. Symbolism. Okay. Yeah. We can add I can put together a procedural material to add some circles going around it. We'll make it red to start with, and then yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna make a quick wraparound with this spline, and then I'm gonna apply it or convert it to a mesh, and then music box. No, you were supposed to call me out on it, was I? Yeah, huh? Red because it suits. Light circles on it to make it a bit more interesting. I don't understand it. I'm supposed to be calling out. Also, oh, too bad I'm losing the game. Chaos. Better luck next time, buddy. Play as. I mean, I presume this was League and not Slay the Spire. Wait, were you playing Slay the Spire or League? I've got a confession to make. I've never actually used the shrink wrap modifier, so this is going to be a unique experience for both of us. Yeah. And then we'll tuck one in under here. Extrude. And then just wrap this around like that, and then we'll worry about bringing it down. Yeah. Yeah, it says, I did really well, but my team didn't. Aw. Scuzzy, welcome! No Squungle City. Oh, sorry, I forgot to turn it back on. I was just showing chat, the start of stream, the progress we made on the good old Scrungles, but then I forgot to turn, the old Scrungles back on. So, are they? Are they? Oh, there it is, chat party. Boom. Y'all have to type something in chat to get your Scrungles back. Get the, special thanks up, too. Special thanks. Eee. Oh, it seems like the customs haven't spawned in yet. You'll have to, it's okay, if they've spawned in now. Oh no, they're taking forever. Well, hang on, if you, exclamation mark leave, and then type again. Because it takes a while for them to load in. Ah, there we go, they've loaded. Yes. So now if you join in, you should get your custom scrungles. There you go, looking great. Looking good there, Scuzzy. Borger. Yes, Borger. So cute. Yeah. got a little thing wrapping around here. I think it's W? No. Oh, no, it's RW? No. Alright, well, I know it's this thing here, so... Then... That's not gonna work. Try rotating... Oh, wait. There's literally nothing. The heck? Try this one? Yes. Oh, I was doing the wrong one. It's tilt we want. There we go. So yeah, we're just gonna rotate all these. Hugs the fox. Oh no! Disadvantage. Hugs the fox. Oh, okay. You still got an 11. Wait, no, you rolled with disadvantage. You take the lowest number when you roll disadvantage. Also, loaded advantage, you still only got 11? My goodness. The dice do not want to hug me today. Hugs for fox. Eleven is good for disadvantage. 11 is good for disadvantage. I'd be happy with that. But still, it's not really good for getting anything done. And it looks like I've rotated these all the wrong way. That's unfortunate. Alright, so we gotta go back and de-rotate all of these. I really should have started from the start. But yeah, we've gotta take out tilt of this back around. Okay. Huh? Go negative with it? Can't go negative. There we go. That's... Anywho, how you doing today? I'm doing well. Negative. Okay, so we just gotta... Oh, we just gotta take all these and put a minus in front. I'm very, very hyped for how the chat party's going. My goodness. Do I have enough ramp? Ooh, I do have enough ramp. You want to see how the chat party thing's doing, Guzzy? Are you interested? I mean, the rebuild of chat party in a game, actual game engine. Yeah? Okay. I'll just finish rotating these. Actually, no, fuck it. We'll S this. And we'll show you now. So it has 3 components. One, the Twitch bridge. So if I go and open a terminal and we just run our bridge, that is node server.js. This is our bridge. Now, whenever someone types in chat, either YouTube's or hello YouTube. Wait, oh yeah. So yeah, anyone types in YouTube or Twitch, I could possibly even hook this up to Discord. Ooh, that'd be cool. Anywho, yeah, if someone wants to type in Twitch real quick, it'll appear here, and then open up Godot, game agent of choice. Aha. And we play. Hang on, let's draw the beat. And then you hide chat party again, just for a minute. Don't worry, they'll come back. And we'll hide the special thanks banner. There it is. Thanks, group. And play this. Everyone drops in. And now, whenever someone types in either YouTube or Twitch, it'll spawn a new Scrungle. And these Scrungles, unlike the web app ones, can be yeeted. And oh boy, can they be yeeted at maximum speed. Oh yeah, this must be you. Look, Scuzzy, it's you! Oh, this is the Scrungle that you spawned. This is the... I couldn't stand to be without you, Scuzzy, so I just added you. You're a permanent fixture of the game. Whether you type in chat or not, you're here. But yeah. So, this is a desktop app. This is actually on my screen, so I can actually see you y'all now. Which is something I'm very happy to see. And, you know, also it's immensely fun yeeting Scrungles around. Like, it's just so much fun. Wait, we can flood it? No. It's one per user. So, it's not every time you type. It checks to see if this username's been used before. So it'll only spawn one per person. But, you know, if you can get infinite users in here typing in chat, then I guess. I haven't actually set a limit to it. I was stress testing it earlier in a stream that was doing, like, really well. You know, like one of those 500 or 5,000 viewer streams. And we had like 100. Trinity says, I'm gonna keep lurking. Best of luck with the other stuff. Thank you! And good luck with the, hang on. Whatever you're doing, Trinity. I mean, if you want to share what you're doing, I'd be happy to see. But yes! Bye, Trinity! Good luck! Whee! Eating the Trinity Scrungle. But yeah. So the aim at the moment is to get this... Oh, that's cute. Okami love. Oh, so cute. Thank you. Just a message? Oh, did I? Oh, so if 1K people did it, would it crash your PC? Possibly. I stress tested it with like 200 people, and it was fine. Mew says, wish me luck. Good luck, Mew! I don't know what I'm wishing you luck for, but good luck. Hopefully I'm not wishing you luck for something horrible. But good luck. You know what, even if it is something horrible, good luck, buddy. I hope you do well in all the things you do. But yeah, this is how the chat party's going so far, and I am super hyped for what we can do in future. And also, it's just been fun. I can't wait until we can, like, actually start yeeting, like, have names above people and not just be yeeting their, yeah. Oh my god, that's so cute. While he's dangling upside down. Billy says, it's so weird having my eyebrows slit. Never did it before. Oh. But do you like the look of it? We'll cancel that. Bring back our special thanks. Bring back our... chat party, there it is. Boom, everyone's back. Although it's going to take half an hour. Oh my god, I should have turned off auto refresh. Oh well, whatever. It'll sort itself out. I can put my wrist wraps on. But it says, yeah. Yes, queen. Yes. Yas, queen, slay! Slay! Anyway, are y'all as excited about the future of Scrungles as I am? I swear, I am. I was up so late last night working on this. Not because I was stressed or felt compelled, but just because it's so much fun and it's so cool. Also, there's a couple of other VTubers that are using the web app. I think it also really enjoy the yeah, on-screen Scrungles. And I'm hella looking forward to getting into their hands. Okay, so that's all headed in the right direction. It's got to get part here, tucked up under here. Hi, Scuzzy. Having a bit of a yap. And then we'll get you out across here. And then we'll just have that pop down. That. Okay, so that's the start of the ribbon. Now, if I shifty this and hide its duplicate, we're going to convert this one, object, but mesh. Now mesh. And now we add a modifier. Shrink wrap. We're gonna have to make this a collision. How do we make collisions again? So it says 31 days till the perfect streak, 69. Good luck. I hope you make it, buddy. It's a very dangerous number, 3 numbers before that. Better hope it doesn't shout you out for that. How do I make collisions again? Oh, there it is, collision. That's a physics tab. Oh, that's a physics tab. Okay, so yeah, you have collision turned on. And now we've got to turn this one. And I'm pretty sure I'm doing this, right? Shrink wrap. Oh, wait, no. Wait, does it? Oh, that's... Oh, it doesn't need collision. Okay, so we can clear out the collision on this. Oh, we do that in the physics tab. We don't need collision on you. Back to our shrink wrap. Can we just skip it? I think so. I think if you don't type anything in the thing, it doesn't... Yeah, you can just skip it. I'm pretty sure you can skip it. Offset. Oops. That's... Whoa, settle down. Okay, so go 0.1. Oh, that's way too far. 0.0 is 1, I think. Okay. What other options? On surface, outside server. Doesn't do anything. Low surface? Okay, I think on surface is the one we want. And these two. Okay, project isn't good. Near vertex, very bad. Hexagonal project looks good. That's the same. But yeah, that's how our bandages look, kinda. We add a solidify to this. Make the bandages a little thicker, so they're not so paper-y. I want the thickness to be much less. So yeah, that's what she looks like with some bandages on. Thank. I am King. Welcome back. Do you know who is here? It is I, King. Hello, King. The divine lemon has returned. Welcome back, Lemon. How you doing, King? But yeah, so that's how she looks with a little bit of bandaging. Ribboning? Sorry I'm late. I was charging my phone and now I have Steam. Oh, congratulations! Wait, did you not have Steam before? Steam. I'd like to thicken these up a little. But is that allowed? Oh, it is allowed. Excellent. What do you think, Mule? Oh, is Mule still here? I think it's a nice touch. I think it's a very nice touch. I can see quite a few of these. Like just around the place, just to help break up the symmetry of it and give it, oh, Mew, yay, hello. I did, but I forgot I had it, and now I have some games. Oh, congrats. Games you should get. Also, I want to be down there. Lurk. Because it says, I want to use my vintage Adidas jumper for something, but I don't know what. Need to like repurpose it, cut it up, and use it for something else. Make some tech wear. Have you? Oh man, I love tech wear. I mean, I don't think I'd ever wear it. It's not really my style, but I love the aesthetic of it. You know? Yeah, this is looking pretty cool. Also, Fox is working? Wait, Fox, is it working? It's not working. So it says, yeah, I want to cut it up. It's a kid size, so I can't wear it anymore. Oh! Yeah, I could definitely see you, like Adidas. Feels like it's kind of ideal for tech wearification. Like, it just feels like as a brand, it feels like it's kind of ideal for that sort of thing. I got it as a gift when I was a kid from my uncle who was in jail. Also, King, what did you mean, is it working? Is what working? Well, says there should be clothing donation boxes there, but I get it if you're attached to that jumpsuit. Oh, I think they say jumper, not jumpsuit, but yeah. I think they mean they want to repurpose it. Oh! It's now, I will kill everyone and everything in this... Oh, okay, if it's not... I think they're trying... Okay, I think they're trying to say, if it's not, I will kill everyone and everything in this chat. I'm talking about the exclamation mark, I am king, yo. It's not. I was so distracted with, like, getting the Scrungles thing done, like the Godot rebuild. I'm sorry. It completely slipped my mind, man. I'm really sorry. I was just so hyperfixated on like the Godot thing and yeeting Scrungles around. I spent like an hour just yeeting Scrungles today. So much fun. Because he says, not attached, don't care for it. I just like to make clothes, and this fabric is so nice. Oh, holy shit! Ew! What the hell is that? You get a 19 on disadvantage. That's mental. Promised? I did. I'm sorry. The Scrungles called me. They distracted me. It was just so much fun eating them. You know what? Actually, hang on. Wait, while I was poking around, I did notice something odd. In the repo, which is the repository Git, I noticed something odd. I am king. Is there a space there? There is a space there. I think this is why it's bugging out, actually. Alright. We'll fix it now. We'll see if we can fix it now. So if I, backspace here, And I shouldn't need to refresh the chat for this. So I've just added a backspace to this. Now if I open up Git Kraken, and this is what I use for my version control stuff, because it says this hoodie, or whatever it is still in mint condition. Could sell it for quite a bit, but I want to ruin it. Eek. Love it. Peak anti-capitalism. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and what? No, that's okay. How do I version control? Hey. Oh, wait, I want to cancel him. Unmodified. Here we go. Assets. No. No, this is the previous command. I want to action. No. You haven't picked up on the change I made? No, you haven't picked up on the change. Well, anyway, since I don't use it, it's okay. We'll just use the web browser. But I think the problem is that there's a space is in the I am king yo folder. Chat party. Fox, make sure you actually did rename the directory. Huh? Oh shoot, you're right. I just renamed the address. So smart, Mew. Okay, so directory has definitely been renamed now. What's this? So Git Kraken is oh, there it is. Work in progress. Assets. Oh, okay, so yeah, this is version control. It's kind of like controls the... Okay, so every time you make a change, it remembers what that change is. It doesn't save the whole, project you're working on. It just remembers all the changes you're making. And then, you can commit those changes, and then you can send them up to, like, a central repository, and then it's just, like, allows everyone to... It's a program? Yeah, it's just a program. I don't know, are you planning on becoming a programmer? This is just a way of, backing up your stuff and in a collaborative way, so multiple people can modify it. This is no. Wait, sorry, Rhubarb. We're trying to quickly fix I am King Scrungle because they were very upset. So this is what we're actually working on. Biblically accurate VTuber, but we're just taking a quick side. I'm going to college for accounting, but I'm trying to learn game design. Oh. Well, definitely come on Thursday because working on the Scrungles and fuck it, we'll boot it up again. So I've been working on a little something called Chat Party. So you see the little Scrungles down the bottom? Those are, sorry, all the little things down the bottom. Those are called Scrungles. And that's for an application I'm working on called Chat Party. So yes. And right now I'm working on rebuilding the whole thing in Godot. So that yeah, the whole thing will be in Godot. I don't know where to go with that. Learning Godot. Well, this whole project is in Godot, so you're in for a treat. But if I get my music back. So if we hide Chat Party and the special thanks. There it is, special thanks. And play Chat Party. Now, did I... I gotta turn off the, becomes inactive. Okay. So, yeah, now whenever... See? This is, that. Rhubarb Pie, this is you. So every time someone types in chat, it'll spawn another Scrungle. This one just spawned from Muor. This one's Rhubarбs. And yeah, this is yeah, it's just a little application that has a plugin to oh, that sounds fascinating. So it's got a link into the YouTube and Twitch chat. Should I play Poppy Playtime? And X's been trying to get me to play Playtime for ages. So yeah, it's got a plugin link to Twitch and YouTube chats. So yeah, it's pulling data from the chats and plugging them into Godot. And so yeah, everyone gets a little swingle. I'm pretty stressed. Right, my finishing. Mostly learning Godot, by the way. Joe says, "How you doing, hon?" River Pie says, "I'm trying to make a puzzle platformer with a sad story." Subtitles, chat potty. Huh? Oh, okay. Rhubarb says, "You're a robot trying to upgrade your solar array before the sun goes extinct." Oh, that's bad. I like that idea. I do like robots. King says, "Shepard." Sure, go ahead. I am pretty stressed. I write my finished exam tomorrow. Good luck, nobody. You can eat us? Yes, I can eat us. Wee. Oh, wee. That's why we're rebuilding it in Godot, so I can eat chat, and it is endlessly satisfying. Like, my goodness, I spent like an hour doing this early today, and not like an hour total, like an hour straight, just eating scrungles. It is infinitely fun. Because he says, "Good luck, I believe in you." Yes, we all believe in you. Nobody, you got this. You can do it. I can do it. Probably. I'm prepared. Yes. No, probably. I believe in you. You can do it. Muir says, "But then you remember you have to make them walk around." Yeah, that shouldn't be too bad though, because I've already like done all that in JavaScript. I've just got to port all that code over. Anywho, that's my current Godot project. So let's finish staging this. Stage all. Commit summary. Let's call this king. Do the king commit, and then push it. So this is sending the changes we made on my computer up to the server. It seems to have finished. Now we can go back to chat party. So the Git repo, and it's currently building, sending the build. We'll bring back the thing with stuff. You know what I mean. Here we go. Chat party is back. Yes. And special thanks. Back. It's currently deploying. Oh. Rhubarb says, "My biggest problem is that I understand language, but the 0 starting point is killing me." Oh. Interesting. Just nobody says, "Also, having a English exam soon, I will have a certified person that can talk English." Oh, okay, cool. Muir says, by the way, you can make them unable to collide with each other if that interferes with them walking around. You can also convert them to rigid bodies, only while yeeting them, and keep them as kinematic while they're walking around. Yes, that's exactly what I intend to do. That's an excellent plan, and I'll do my best to implement it. Nobody says, "Thank you for believing me." Of course. The least we can do for you, nobody. Scuzzy says, "Oh, it was snowing today. Now it's sunny." Oh, I do love a bit of sun on snow. Muir says, "Actually, the second thing, you don't need to be kinematic bodies. You have physics stable." Yes. Robotnik says, "I'm not feeling very watch twitchy today, but I want to say hi." Oh, that's very sweet of you, Robotnik. Thank you so much for dropping by. Really, thank you. That's actually really nice. And I hope you have a good day. Yeah. Have a good day, and thanks for dropping by. Bye, Robotnik. Good luck. Okay, so King. Are you here? It's registered it here. I'm gonna binge Steven Universe. Okay, sounds fun. There is no more snow. So it says there is no more snow. It's very warm out, but it just snowed, then melted away over the period. Well, that's pretty wild. It's taking forever to register the new skins. It says, I didn't realize the hardest part of making a game would be naming it. Oh, no. Oh, Dying Wire, that's a great name, actually. Oh, I love that. But for me, when I'm naming a project, I don't try to name it. For me, it's something that should come up organically during development. I have like a working title right up until I feel like it's pretty much done. Like Chat Party is just a working title that works. And I know that, oh, King is working now. King, it's working. So if I, exclamation mark, I am King, I can just copy your name. That can't be what, okay, you know what, I'll copy from here. So if I exclamation mark, oops, if I exclamation mark, I am King, I should, yes, it works, King, it works. You're welcome. We can close that, cancel, stop that. King, it works, we can all be lemons. King, are you there? Oh, King says, at River Pie, when will I be able to play? Also, fuck you, Scuzz, and yeah. Why are we playing Scuzzy? Lemon. But yeah, Dying Wire is a fantastic name. I love the sound of that. Fucking nailed it. Scuzzy replying to I am King, love you too. That's the best response when someone sasses you. It always, oh, it's so much fun when someone's just so mad and you say love you. Because what can you do? You can't get more mad, even though you really want to be. Rebuff says probably. I've tried to start making it a few times, and I've been sitting on an idea for a while. Ah, so what's giving you trouble? Also, I should probably start the... Is this a good angle? Right now. I completely forgotten what I was here. Oh right, yeah. Yeah. Let's get the. No, we gotta replace the camera. Ah, fuck it, I can't remember. Play. Whoever says it's from a list of game names, genres, and premises I made. It's like 6 games. So he says, well, I don't hate him. I did nothing to him, and he did nothing to me. Yeah. Whoever says sprite work. I'm trying to make it simple, but it's still a lot. Have you done a lot of art stuff in the past? Are you new to the whole art thing? Iron King says, okay, when it's done, DM me. It is done! I told you! Like 3 times, it's done! Rawr! Oh, wait, hang on. Are you talking about the lemon thing, or... You know what? Wait, hang on. Didn't it work? I give up. I give up. Bob says, I mean, I'm an artist, and I like working in landscapes, but it's just a lot of tiny things that need to be done. It really is. Not to mention, I'm coming off the butt end of making a functional war game. Ooh. Have you been here for any of the Monday stream? So I've got to patch this up, because this plate here, as cool as it looks, really gets in the way of flexing. Gotta... And this will also help us, like, a couple of, fix up a couple of... Sorry, reduce our poly count by a little bit. I'm King says, he's not fucking lemon. Game is done. If the game is done, not you. Huh? Just nobody says, can I have a custom scrungle one day too? Yes! Come along on Thursdays. So every Thursday, we do custom scrungles. Sometimes I'll get 3 done in one day. Sometimes it'll take me 2 sessions to get 2 days to just get 1 done. So it's very all over the place. Rains took like 2 sessions. And then Scuzzies we got done in like half a session. So, and Scuzzies looks amazing. But yeah, so every Thursday we do some more custom scrungles. I think this Thursday we're doing Turtles, and Sajik and Sancho are currently have dibs on the next 2 sessions. But yeah, just come along on Thursdays. Because I don't like to do the scrungles unless the person I'm doing them for is in chat, because, you know, I want to make sure they approve what I'm doing. But yeah, so come along on Thursdays. Won't be this Thursday, and probably won't be next Thursday, but maybe the Thursday after that we'll have space. And yeah, I just take requests. I prioritize people who subscribed and long-time viewers. You know, seem pretty cool. If we've got a slot, 100%, we'll make it open to you. Although I would like to do Mew. Mew and Mewar and Ragabat. I'd definitely like to do them as well. So, who says, "Oh, do you have a galaxy as a reference map?" Oh, Rubo says, "I've been doing a lot for a while. My eye block left me and my creativity is blowing up. Oh, awesome! Let's go, uploads." Well, you could be. That could be the default reflection. Oh. Iron King says, "Still waiting for mine." What do you mean? You got your lemon. Blushes. Just nobody subscribed. Oh wow! Thank you so much for the subscription. Let's go. Thanks, nobody. I hope you enjoy the emotes. Anywho, I've got to go through and clear out this scene. I learned a really cool trick the other day. This is from YouTube Shorts. So if you we've also got to do the crease. So if you select 2 H's and go, I think it's W, bridge, H loops. You can then select the H, this H here, and Shift R. Wait, no, that wasn't right. Hang on. 2 H's and fill them with the F key. Select the edge on the side that you just made, and then Shift R. It'll find the next spot where it can do that, and just fucking do it. This is mental. This saves so much time. And then you just Shift R and just zip all the way up. I'm just, it's just one button. Just zip. It's gonna fail me here though because of reasons. But yeah, that's so rad. I'm so hyped for this. But I think we want to make a cut across here. Solve this edge. Oh yeah, and another cut along here. And then yeah, just a edge. Hey! Is that right? Hang on, I feel like this. Oh no, that's right. Nobody says yes! Wait, nobody. Wait. Why you know? You gotta fuck Bongo. Bongo Fox. Why you know Bongo Fox? Then we can fill this. And then yeah, this should flex a lot better now. It's got space up in there. Yay! Bongo Fox, let's go! And now that we've got space up in here, we can bring these up. Wow! What the heck's going on? Hype train! Let's go! Yes! What's going on? Rhubarb Pie subscribed to 1 tier. Yay! Thank you so much for the sub, Rhubarb! I did it! You did do it! Well done! Thank you! I also DM people the Scrungle gifts. A lot of folks have been using them as stickers in their stickers and emojis in their servers. I'm so happy that Freddy liked his Scrungle so much they made them emojis over on his Twitch. What the heck's going on here? Oh, I don't want to hide that. Sticking out, P. Scott says, "Oh, I want to make a Scrungle sticker. To have IRL. Ooh, that'd be really cool if you do. Oh my goodness. Hang on. If you want, I can send you the. Okay, I can't do it now because I only have 74% RAM spare, so I can't open up Greta. But after stream, I'll DM you the stills because right now they're gifts, so I can DM you like some still frames of them if you want to like make them into stickers." Draw says, I do slime stickers. They are fire decent. You said you would make it more? Huh? We'd make what more? What? The... King! King! Easy words! Also, why is this music so spooky all of a sudden? Can you settle down? So it says stickers are cheap for order custom. Yes, absolutely. That's what I mean. I can send you like I'll make you like a little sticker sheet that you can post or like email off to the sticker people if you want. That'd be so awesome. But you know, if you do get them printed out and stick them on your yippee! If you do get them printed out, please send me a picture of whatever you stick them to, because that would be so freaking hype. Okay, cool. So now this is looking a bit smoother. We've got a lot of space in here and a lot of geometry to stretch. And yeah, this is looking ideal. We'll make this a little tighter. And this one too. And this one here. And then yeah, we've got loads of geometry in here to use. We can add a little. Could definitely stand to bring this plate up, now that we have the space for it. Everything will be Scrungle. Well, that's what okay. So, the plan is, when we have the Godot Scrungle, when we're ready to transfer over from the web chat party to the Godot chat party, I want to have like a big event where everyone, we try and get as many people who have custom Scrungles to join the stream. you know, either as collabs or as or just be in chat, because it would be so good to have like all the custom scrungles for the big day. And just see all the little guys down the bottom. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. King says, "Hey, hey, hey, can we get a translation, King? Come on, King, you know the rules." And so do I. Ribub says, "I want to get a bumper sticker of my persona. Panicked with white text, I was not made to try." That's awesome. I love that idea. Instead of like baby on board or something, it's just like, I can't drive. Leave me alone. Or don't honk, I'm scared enough as it is. It's gibberish. Whoever says, "I'm a bear, I can translate." It's gibberish. Turtle says, "Working 9 to spine." What a way to make a living. Turtle, welcome! Hello! King says, "Yes, you are right." Well, that's disappointing. Son, I am disappointed. Also, what the flip? Why do you go up here? We gotta clean this up. This is not deja vu. This is not deja vu at all. But you know what is deja vu? Turtle! Hi! How you doing, buddy? Turtle says, "All the better for being here." Yes! We were just talking about the rebuild of Chat Party into Godot. And it's looking amazing. And it's so much fun. I can't believe it's finally happening. It's just been so much fun. Like, I've got the bridge between Twitch chat and YouTube chat and Godot, which again is the game engine we're using. And it's actually, yeah, it's sending data. And whenever a new chatter types something, it'll spawn a new scrungle. That's all I've got done so far. Next will be, I guess I want. What should I do next? Maybe we should put up a poll. You know, I'm gonna put up a quick poll. See if anyone, you know, A, is interested in doing polls. Also, B, what you think. So, poll. What to next? So, should I add name tags? Name tags to scrungles. Wandering. So have them actually start moving around. Visualize polls would be awesome. Huh? So the scrungles on screen. No. The scrungles on screen right now are the web app ones. The yeah, the Godot ones are not. You know what? I'll boot it up in a sec and I'll give you a show. Fourth time this stream. This is gonna be like 90% just me showing off what I've done today. Anyway, so wandering scrungles. Custom skins. So get the unique skins in, or what's some Steam games I can install for free? Oh, try the Neverway. The Neverway demo is good fun, and really cool. What else is free? There's lots of demos that are. Oh, Scuzzy says Monk is a fun game, it's free. Demo of The Lift is really fun. Okay. Anyway, let's throw that up. But yes. Okay, get out of here. But yeah, Turtle. This is the wait, that's the screen. So this is the bridge. It's gonna terminal into here, and we're just gonna go node server.js. So this is the like kind of bundled server that I've got going. And now, whenever someone types in chat, see my YouTube thing. So whenever it types in YouTube chat or Twitch chat, so we go it'll appear in here. Box says and that then is now pushing data over into, and apologies to everyone who's heard me say this like 3 times. Sorry, Chaos. Now, I'll have to turn off the chat party and special thanks. But now, whenever someone types in chat, it comes up in the game engine. Oh, that's a nice little way of doing it. Cute little smiley face. And it also it'll drop in a new creature. So I think this is one you just. But yeah. But the coolest thing about this is that you can eat scrungles. Scrungle eating. They are so bouncy. They are so delightfully bouncy. It's so satisfying. Like I've spent hours doing this today. Anyway, I gotta close this down because I've been spending too much time showing this off. But yes, I'm very hyped for it. Still got a lot of catching up to do though. Turtle is still way ahead of me in the dev game. But yeah, that's how I do it. And apparently I can bundle that in with Godot when I make it an executable to send away to friends. I know it's not a race, but I think what you're doing is just so freaking cool that I just want to be like you. Yeah, it's just really cool what you're doing, and I just realized I can merge these. Yeah, we can just zip this up. That's a quad there. That's a quad. That's a quad, that's a quad, that's a quad. It's a bit messy, but it works. Alright, cool. So we've got basin there. I think we'll bring this up a little well. And then, yeah, so we've got plenty of material in here to stretch when she moves her legs around. This is still going to be hidden by the feather dress anyways. But it's nice to have this available. So it says, holy, I have 211 hours on Much. The fuck was I doing on that game so much? Oh, King says, okay, I'm playing Muck. Have fun! Total says, it has been a lot of fun making it, and getting chat's input, and then chat breaking everything because my code is terrible. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that too. Ribub says, is there a server? We don't... About me and Terraria. Does anyone want to see my list? So if you want an hour sync, and Muor knows about this. I have 946 hours in Kenshi. Someone beat that. Who says 4K out? Oh shoot. Okay, never mind. I feel. I suddenly feel very insecure. 4K hours in Terraria. That's a lot. That's a lot of hours. My goodness. How do you have so many hours in Terraria? And that's a lot. Oh, that's just an estimate. That's not actual numbers. Okay. Terraria is a cracking game. Okay. Controversial opinion. Personally, I much prefer Starbound. Like I know that's not a popular thing to have. It's not a popular opinion, but I really do just so much prefer Starbound. I don't know, I just like space, and the races are cooler. Like you can be like a Hylotl thing, or you can be like a little grass Pokemon looking motherfucker. It's such good fun. And you got a little spaceship that can like scoot around in different places. And it's got the fracking universe mod, which makes everything even more wild. I have probably 3 to 4. I definitely have way more than 3 to 4K in Minecraft. It's so moddable. So most of 10 years ago, I've been playing a bit of Cobblemon lately. In fact, this might be a good time to announce it. So we are planning over on the Discord to host a Cobblemon server, which is like Minecraft with Pokemons. It's really, really good fun. We have plans for everyone to like to distribute badges, so if people want to set up gyms, they can. It's gonna be great. I'm really looking forward to it. And yeah, I hope y'all join. Anyone who's interested in playing modded Minecraft, we'll throw out we'll have a mod pack ready to go. Starbound is rad, but compared to other possible games, it's still one underwhelming. I did not feel underwhelmed at all. I had endless fun with it. But yeah, it's okay. I understand. Like I know people prefer Terraria and Starbound. I don't know what it is. It just makes Starbound click for me, but Terraria not. But it is what it is. So it says, yeah, Minecraft is the same for me. I've been playing it for so long and never quit. Maybe it's time to like go out and buy a Java edition and maybe join us for Cobblemon. Nice. King says, me too. I'm playing a completely different game. Yeah. Guzzy says, Guzzy just watching from the shadows as usual. Oh, Guzzy. Just Nobody says, I would love to play, but I have like no time. Yeah, that's a move. The thing is, I'm doing my best to make time because it's important to make time for the things you enjoy. Even if you like objectively should be doing the quote unquote work stuff, you gotta look after yourself as well, and your happiness, and your relationships, those social requirements. So yeah, I understand absolutely, but there are other important factors to consider. Which is why I'm setting up this server, because I'm trying to like force myself to make the time to, you know, play games with friends. Rhubarb says Terraria hard to start. I will say I'm not having a hard time starting. Like, I've been playing multiplayer. It's I don't know. I can't. I guess maybe. Turtle says I'd love to join in the Pokemons. Energy dependent, of course. Yes, absolutely. We'll be doing it once a week. Possibly, so, no, I'm thinking we'll do it 2 times a month. So, we'll do it every weekend that Burley isn't doing their Minecraft thing. If that makes any sense. So we'll do it 2 weeks a month, except, yeah, just not the weeks that Burley's having his Minecraft stream. Or his Minecraft server events. Scuzzy says 2 broke for games, yeah. Yeah. What's Scuzzy? Rhubarb says, also, people criticizing Terraria for the newest update is crazy. Like, it's a crossover, and the game had significant updates in the past. But it's still the same game. Just because they added new items, new functions, don't mean that the game is rushed. SMH. Oh, interesting. People really want the custom skins. Huh. That is... I wasn't expecting that. I mean, I guess it makes sense. So you want to see your skins in. Okay, okay, okay. I will prioritize the custom skins. I think I have to do the name tags first, though. Because the name tags will be really quick, and it'll help me to be able to tell them apart. But I'll do the custom skins before I do the one. Yeah, it's quite a big job, though, because I've got to, like... Because the web app uses GIFs, and Godot can take GIFs with a plugin, but I'd rather not. I'd rather, like, render them out as sprite sheets, which means that, you know, that I've got to cut all the GIFs up, and that's going to take a while. Cut them all up and reassemble them. And for some of it, it's going to be really, really difficult. Like, Crow's going to be, because Crow's got so many frames, it's going to be, yeah, big job. So it says, I've only bought, like, 2 games, and both were discounted, like, 80%. I bought Terraria for you, and The Forest, euros. Ah. Thrifty. Okay, so we've got plenty of space in here for them to flex. Probably even make this a little tighter. Because again, we don't have the that plate that was there before. That's about as tight as we can make it with the current geometry. Unless we make these two together, that'll make a try there. And... yeah, we can't do that. Yeah, so having this space here will allow it to flex up and in, and then having this space in here will allow it to flex up and out. And yeah, this plate here, I like it much better without the butt cut, because it really helps to keep the better. Scuzzy says, oh, yeah, Scuzzy says I only shop at thrift stores. Same. In a way, I'm way too cheap for my own good. No, okay, so I have opinions, like, even if you can afford new clothes, if you don't, then you're better off, like, I used to not go to thrift store, because I was like, no, what if someone else needs these clothes? Like, I'm just going and, like, taking advantage of this situation, but that's entirely the wrong way to look at it, because so much clothing goes into landfill every year. And not in Western countries. All these Western countries will send these clothes off to third world countries as quote-unquote donations, but then the third world countries have no use for them either, so they just throw them all into landfill in their country. So it's not going anywhere. It's just going into landfill. It's just becoming waste. So even if you can afford to buy new clothes, if you don't need the new clothes, and you know you can find something that fits you in a thrift store, get it from the thrift store. It's a really good way to help save the environment and reduce waste, because, again, so much stuff goes to landfill. So it says, I wish I could shop in charity shops and things, but I am usually too big for the clothes they have. Yeah, I have a similar problem. I have a hard time finding clothes that fit me, because I have, like, broad shoulders, but also, like, a thin waist, and most of the things I put on just look... I look like a fucking jellyfish. But, you know, if you look hard enough, if you look hard enough, like, I can find, like, I have to go there, like, once a week, and maybe once a month, once every 1 or 2 months, I'll find something that fits me, and maybe once a year I'll find something that fits me that I like. But, you know, I just swing in there on my daily walks, and yeah, yeah. And just take a peek and just be like, this bit. Sometimes. But I've gotten so many good clues from now. Anywho, so now we've cleaned that up. Let's do some. So we can do some poly crunching. Actually, one more thing I want to do. I want to turn this belly button hole into a cut. Bell says, but yeah. I'm tall and broad and a bit overweight. I have a stupid long back. It's hard. Yeah, I feel that. Hello, beautiful people. Freddy, welcome. We were just talking about scrungles and how much how much I appreciate that A, you're using the chat party thing, but also I'm so happy that you decided to use those little things as emojis on your channel. I really appreciated that. Well, I guess I appreciate that you appreciate it, if I'm trying to say. You know what I mean. Anywho, we can go on up in here. Select this edge loop. Make you... And then I want to make this belly part red. So this belly button is actually like a cut. I think that's very evocative. It looks kind of like a little blood droplet too. King says Freddy Phasmal. Rhubarb says my pixel is finally hitting. Ooh, wonderful. Did you want to share? Attacks? 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 Freddy says, it's great! I use it as my reactive stuff as well. Oh, wonderful! That's cool! Excellent! Freddy says, little heart emote. Aww. Freddy says, hi Turtle! Hi Skulls! Rubo says, it is in progress somehow. Okay, good luck! You got this, buddy. Go, Rubo, go! Ooh, also, what I want to do is I want to make some little cuts. In here, in the rib cage. Oh yeah, Turtle knows a thing or two about pixel art. And let's get all that pixel art yapping out of the way before Lily rejoins, because you don't know what happens then. I'm gonna extrude this, scale in Z. Yawn. Scale in Z. Why? Oh, because you said. Scale in Z. Please, please. Scale in Z. There we go. Okay, it's still talking about, but oh well. Bring this in, and we're gonna use this to make like a little sort of rib bone, like a rib cage looking sort of vibe. Anywho, now we can come up here and scale all these edges in. Oh, cute! So cute. Look at them, little marching guys. Oh, they dance. You can dance. You can dance. Everybody look at your hands. You can dance. You can dance. Everybody. It is safe to dance. Safe to dance. Men without hats. What a strange band. That was a wacky ass music video too. Have you seen the music video? There's a bunch of guys. Well, it's just a bunch of folks dancing. I don't know where. They just go into some folk village and just they dance. I mean, it's kind of in the name of the song, I guess. Like it's on brand, but it's a good time though. It's a really good time. Let's go ahead and assign this. And assign this. Gonna go through and set these all as on. There we go. Why do you? Oh, I know it. Okay, okay. And so let me increase to 1. And now little gap there that kind of looks like a rib cage hole. Can't go much higher than that because, you know, booba. Gonna get in the way. We could probably this in and in like that and do the same. Makes it look a little bit more I don't know, L? I want to say? Oh man, this is gonna be tricky to... Oh, there we go. Ah! Shift. Hold shift. There you go. And then set the increase to max. Chaos says, I'm back for a bit. Welcome back! It's like Lord of the Rings if Tolkien did spicy Adderall. Indeed. Chaos says, I'm back for a bit. Chaos! He says, Chaos! Dodo says, welcome back, Chaos! King says, hi, my love. Yummy shout out! Yummy. Dodo says that's one way to put it. I mean, it's okay. The reason I put it that way is because it's doing two things. One, it's calling out the pharmaceuticals industry for blatantly pushing opiates onto people, and two, it's to get around the fact that a lot of the social media platforms can be a bit spicy about you talking about certain illegal things. I'm King says that means look at these capes. I will kill them. Huh. Okay, but what's the last? Oh, okay. So the last one is representing you. Okay. So the first hieroglyph is like, you know, thinking about the following statement. The second one is referencing homosexuality, I guess, because like a gay fly frag. Creeps. Okay. So the second one by itself is a positive thing. It's like love. But the third one connected with that, the Termina says, this heart of mine yearns for the monster girls and approves of this model. Great job, folks. Yay! I'm glad you like it. She's coming along really nice. She is a gorgeous piece. But we're experimenting a little right now. So, what do you think of this little leg ribbon? Well, there's a bit of contention as to whether or not we want to have... Like I just added this. It's just a shrink-wrapped spline at the moment. But we're considering whether this is a nice touch, whether we should like add it all over the place. Well, hang on. So King, the hard thing is love by itself, but it can mean gay. But it seems like it can be gay as the pejorative meaning of the term, and gay as, you know, the positive, depending on the following hieroglyph. So it seems like the creeper hieroglyph is what determines whether the context of the sentence in general is meant as hostile or positive. Because creepers explode. Creepers are always negative. No one likes seeing a creeper. You see a creeper standing on your new build, and you're not like, oh yay, a new friend. You're always going to be like, fuck this guy. Get the hell out of my house. I'm King's... Termina says, I adore how skinless she seems, but at the same time, she's covered. Yes! That's exactly what we're going for. Like, but also, she's gonna have an extra layer, because the VTuber who is commissioning this was very explicit. They don't want this to be sexualized at all, so she's got two layers of that. She's got the wings that are acting as like an overclothing thing, and then she's got the armor plating, the full body harness, that is acting as another layer, full body piece of clothing underneath that. So yes, thank you. This is absolutely what we're going for. Chaos says, luck, happy lucking. King says, Is you slash they slash these. What? What the hell are you talking about, King? But yeah. Ooh. Have you seen the tail? I'm very proud of this tail. It's actually an array. It's an array. Oh, hang on. An array. Just one bone, but we array it, and then we put that array on a curve. I'm so smart. I'm so smart. I'm so smart. And it's also like the one thing, and it's like stretching as it goes along. And then yeah, it's also got a spine. Let's hide the wings for a minute. That's how her back looks. Very creepy, but usually hidden by wings, which is a shame because there's so many polygons in there. Anywho, what was it on? Oh, the teamer says it is naked, but not sexualized at all. Yes. That was the aim. The aim was to make it as unrule 34able as possible. I mean, people are gonna try. we can't stop people trying. And you know what? Bet, I guess. But yeah, on my end at least, trying to minimize any sexualization of the character is important. Lol, not supposed to say but I doubt anyone will be. Yeah, this is true. That's kind of what I mean though. Like they're gonna do it anyway. So there's no point in really fighting it per se, but on my end, at least, I want to make sure that the product that I'm creating is, yeah, as tasteful and in line with the commissionee's expectations as but yeah, nothing we can do about the Rule 34 artists. Love their work. Just not what we're about here. Total says people gonna be freaky, unfortunately. I don't I don't want to say unfortunately though. Like they're passionate about what they do, and they're showing their appreciation for the characters in their own way. Consent is important. Like it would be nice if they'd ask, and a lot of them do. Like I've seen like some very wholesome interactions with 34 artists just kindly asking, you mind if we lewd your character and the artist the character's uh primary actress, I guess. Being like, yeah, I'd rather you didn't, and then be like, okay. And that's beautiful. I love it when they do that. But and that's kind of like the ideal interaction right there. Yes, that's really ideal. And a lot of artists that I know absolutely do that. And I'm always like, thumbs up. It's amazing. Thank you so much for being cool. Um, and I feel like the minority that don't aren't usually that good at what they do. Then I was gonna see that art anyway. And you know, if you're looting stuff in your own time, no one's really gonna see it. That's no biggie. So yeah, generally speaking, I think it's okay. The majority of the time, it's very tasteful and in line with whatever the artist wants to do. There's a minority of people who just don't give a shit, and yeah, there's nothing we can do about them. So I try not to pay them any mind. It's very ick. I get it's very ick artists like that. But yeah. 10 minutes says some characters are better not to be sexualized, but you can't control people. Yes. So yeah, all we can really do is, you know, signal boost the ones that are being considerate and tasteful about it. Nothing we can really do about the ones who are being ickies. Yeah, I don't wanna the medium as a whole. Because like I said, a lot of them are very tasteful and very considerate. There's some wonderful artists out there who don't mean any harm by what they do, and in fact do go out of their way to try and ask for consent and input from the subjects. King says, is Fox loves talking? Oh! Ah! I see! You know what, King, thank you very much. I really do appreciate these lessons in emoji hieroglyphs. That is fascinating. And it makes perfect sense. Fox paw, the heart thing, and then little yapping thing. Yeah, that makes sense. But yeah, the team inner, yeah, absolutely. Some for reasons that I probably don't need to get into, definitely are better off not being sexualized. But then there's the what's the term? The taboo premium. There's also like the market. Yes, or what Mew said. Oh, that's actually why I made that particular emote. That's Yappy Fox. That one's probably going to get depreciated soon, though. So if you enjoy it, use it, because I watched the statistics to decide which ones to get rid of, and right now the Yapping Fox is at the top of the ones that we're thinking about getting rid of. Hello there, bro. How are you today? I am fine, thank you. I hope you have the best day ever, and your drawings are so damn beautiful. Yay! I'm glad you like them. I did these. These all mine. All these lovely ladies in the background. I drew these all! Wah, 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 wah. But this is not a drawing, this is a 3D model. Close enough. Art's art. Scuzzy. Okay. So, sorry to disappoint you, Scuzzy, but I look at the number of unique users, not the number of times an emoji's been used. So, I appreciate the enthusiasm. It feels like a betrayal of the character, honestly. Yeah. Especially if it's done, yeah. Freddy says, lol, I don't know if anyone's ever heard of Thomas Alone. It's an amazing game, and if you play, where you play as a cube. I just checked, and there is Rule 34 as lewds, then nothing is safe. You know, there's been a couple of instances where I've been in a Discord call, and someone's brought up something, and I've just been like, there's no way that I just randomly thought there's no way there can be Rule 34 of it. And I've just typed into Rule 34. I'm like, oh shit, 100 hits, Jesus. I would have been surprised if there was literally anything, but 100. So yeah, you're right, Freddy. People loot anything. I can't remember what this specific. I think it was in a voice chat with you, Mew. Mew. I can't remember what it was though. But yeah, we was like, I wonder if this. Oh yes, very yes. But some of it is really good quality, like especially like the 3D. Like I've downloaded a bunch of Rule 34 models to reference like anatomy and topology and stuff, and some of these artists are absolutely like. Has everyone here heard about that the Italian Parliament 34 incident? Pause up in chat if you know about the Italian Parliament 34 incident. I just want to see how in touch y'all are. Like we know no one here is touching grass except Scuzzy. Scuzzy seems to touch a bit of grass, but curious about the rest of you. No joy, no shame. Just curious. I guess not. Okay, so there was a Rubov says I literally live in the countryside. and I garden. Oh, yes, me too. I love gardening. Um, I haven't had a chance to do it much. Like, I didn't plant anything this season, unfortunately, but I do love gardening so much. I wish I could more. Um, the Twitter folks know what they are doing. Some artists are killing it. Yes, so there was this one situation. I forget what the exact conditions were that made this happen, but for some reason, um, during COVID, and they were having like they were having like a live parliament meeting, but a lot of people were doing it remotely because of lockdowns, and someone shared their screen, and this is in front of the whole like this is like a public stream of the Italian parliament, the government body, doing their thing, and someone put up some like Rule 30. Someone accidentally put up some. I don't know if they were hacked. Like they said they were hacks, but we don't know for sure. They always say they were hacked, but they for some reason they put up on the big screen in front of the whole parliament Rule 34 of Tifa getting railed. And thing is, it's really good quality stuff. Like the anatomy, the jiggle physics, the weight painting, like everyone was like, ah ha ha, oh this is so embarrassing. But it's like, my goodness, who is this artist? Can I get their autograph? This is good stuff. Like this is quality. Yes, my mom's PC hacked. Yeah, exactly. Who says I have 50 packs. They go on the ground in May. Ah. Okay, so I have a link to my old pixel art. Ooh, and I'm gonna do a Discord, a hyperlink. The current art. Oh, wonderful. Okay. But me. Oh, wait, is this you? Hang on, what? Is this the right place? Man, this looks really good. Oh man, that is so evocative. Need to know. Can I come you for non-SF? Yeah, well, a lot of them do get commissioned for their from their non-S. They get non-NSFW commissions from their NSFW art, and I think NSFW is really good for like getting an idea of proportions and anatomy and physics. It's good practice. I'm not coping. You're coping. Newell says, I can confirm it's high quality, don't ask how. I mean, I can also confirm it's high quality because I downloaded the model, and it is phenomenal. Rain Miss Cat says, what a time to drop it in. Hey, Rain, welcome! Rain is the latest Scrungle. You see the little rain cloud floating around down there? Wait, where the frick are you? Oh, you're hiding behind Chaos. There you are, raining on Freddy. Yay. Yes, rain all over Freddy. Who says that is me? Wonderful! This is really cool. This is like, oh man. Reminds me of the Dwarf Fortress, bro. Yes, that's really well done. That's amazing work, Rhubarb. I'm very impressed by this. Very evocative, my goodness. Well done. Turtle says, I really need to investigate Pistol Art more. It seems like a fun site. Oh. I should hunt around there a bit too. Mule says, oh, you even explored its topology, huh? Yes, I did, and it had a load of blend shapes, and the face rig. My golly, I don't think I've seen a face rig as good as the Tifa model face rig. It's got everything. Like you can even get like the individual corners on either end of the eyebrows are tweakable, and there's like 50 freaking sliders just for the mouth. It is phenomenal. As like. Anyway. Turtle says, oh, cute. Yes, they are very cute. Billy says, well, I'll be going now. Goodbye, Fox and gang. I have to go get some shit done. Okay, good luck, Scuzzy, and thank you so much for hanging out. Miss you. Bye. So yeah, I'm adding these holes in here because I kind of want to like. It's supposed to be very organic, like something that was grown as much as it was made. So I'm kind of like making these little extrusions here to kind of hint at the idea of a rib cage under here, while also making it look like, I don't know, there's speed holes or vents or something. So it says, hello, Sajik, and bye-bye. Oh, hi, Sajik. But yeah, I think these little holes here, they kind of help. By the way, what are you modeling this model after quite exactly? These. I drew these, I have. I think I've got enough RAM to at least open up the previews. Give me a second. And I'll show you the whole process. Where is she? I don't think I have the initial sketch I did in a separate file, so it's going to be difficult. Yeah, and I don't have the RAM to open up the critter. But this is the progress. Aside from that, so this is the first drawing we did. It's her yeah, just with the wings and the kintsugi. This is the first completed promotional art. Then we went through and did some orthographics. And then I went and completed the orthographics. Where is she? Oh, yeah, here's her with the oh wait, no, this is later. This happened later. Oh yeah, and this is some of the different configurations for the wings. The idea is that the wings kind of like move around. Oh, I have a new link for the new pixel art. Oh, wonderful. Oh, that is pretty. Oh, that's very pretty. Well done. Oh, that's majestic. I love it. Oh, I love that. I love the way you shaded the sun. It looks so. Damn, she but yeah, she's got like different configurations for the wings, so they can move into different places. And this is the first attempt at the hair, and then yeah, we came back and did a redo of the hair. Moved the wings into the cloak configuration, so she's got 6 wings. Oh, I gotta do the halo. But yeah. And then we got to modeling. Assembled it all. There's time lapse. If you're interested in seeing like the whole thing, I've got time lapses up on my Blue Sky / Twitter accounts. I think the Twitter's missing a couple, so go to the Blue Sky if you want to see all of them. Oh, by the way, means heart stop. Oh, interesting. Damn, she Oh, interesting. Okay, okay, so something wound in the heart means heart stop, which can mean like heart throb. Interesting. But yeah, the concept that we sketched together was based on just a whole move that we put together of just everything that the commission VTuber, the VTuber doing the commission. It was just like, yeah, I like this, I like this, I like this from this, I like this from that, I like this from that. And I'm just kind of like, I made like a collage kind of thing of all the things that they seem to like, and then I drew a little sketch that I don't have available right this second because it's in a critter file and I only have I don't have the RAM space to open up critter right now. And then yeah, went away, did the proper sketch, and yeah, that was amazing. The VTuber has taste. Indeed. it was a lot of actually. So some of these things were actually suggested by viewers. The gold trim, I believe Kroya the gold trim on the wings, that was suggested by Kroya as we were doing as we were drawing these wings. And yeah, that's made it all the way into the final. Made it all the way into final wing. Yeah, so that's made it all the way into the final wing design. And the wings are also rigged. A lot of people are just like, how are you gonna do the wings? And I'm just like, I've already done them. Had a couple of people join the streams and be like, how do you wings? Well, like, but wings. Have you considered wings? And be like, no, they're good. Got wings. Way ahead of you, buddy. Oh, a very talented box. Oh, thank you. Yeah, they deform pretty well. And they're very, very low polygon too. Like these, even at the high resolution version, they're only 7,200 polygons for each wing. And they can go even lower if I turn off the subsurfs. Stable subsurf. Subsurf. And they go down to 3,000 polygons. Or 3,000 triangles. Is minuscule. Wait a minute. Not turned off. Oh wait, no, I just turned off the mirror. I'm dumb. Off. There it is, subsurf. Yeah, it goes all the way down to 1,500 polygons. For two wings. She's gonna need 6 in total, so that's still quite a bit, but yeah. Given it's like the centerpiece of the model, I think it's okay to have them be a bit high. Makes the polys gone. Turtle says turning off the subsurface modifier makes the polys gone. Beautiful, love it. Turtle says wonderful design for a wonderful person for a wonderful person. Yeah, beautiful. Rain. Rain says agree. Yay. You can. Oh, the Termina says you can always look into the harpies, for example. Also, yes. The Greek. Yeah, the ancient Greek harpies. There are some really cool ones. I think Hades has a couple of cool designs for that. Anywho, what was I doing? Oh, one other thing we got to do is we got to add in the eyes to these wings. So let's do that now. I keep forgetting this. Now that I remember, clear transform. Yeah, we've got loads of eyes in the wings here. That's a very nice feature that I want to make sure. And I keep forgetting, so go ahead and do that now. So I got some work on bringing down the poly count even further. We're currently at 90,000 polys, and that's just with 2 wings. We've got to duplicate the wings 2 times. So yeah, we're way over budget right now. We want to try and get it down to 70,000. Try to get it down to 70,000. Don't know how close we will actually get to that, but we're gonna do our best. That's kind of the aim. King says, I found a drink. Oh, well done. I guess. Turtle says, turning off the... Oh, yeah. Turtle says, a sort of low polygon look could look like a 2 to 4 gold. Look anyway, I think. Yes. But what I want is for there to be a high poly version that's for, like, streaming. A medium poly version that's for like general hangouts in VR chat, and a low poly version that's like a Oculus, not an Oculus. What's a mobile thing again? Frick. Vive. Yeah, no, Vive. Wow, man, what's it called? The Android VR chat option. Anyway, yeah, this is a mobile option for people using mobile VR. Not standalone. You know what? This is bugging the heck out of me. I'm gonna have to look it up. Standalone. Is it? I don't think it is. Mobile, Android, Quest. That's the word I was looking for. Yeah, the Quest. Yeah, the Meta Quest. But yeah, I guess also standalone. I guess standalone, but yeah, mobile. It doesn't say standalone anywhere here, but I guess that's what people are calling it. But yeah, I want to have a standalone version, and that's gonna have to be like 20,000 polygons, 15 to 20,000 polygons. That is a big ask, but hang on, let's just try it out. So if I turn all of these down to, you're already off. No, not you. Yeah, you're already off. Turn off the subdiv on this, turn off the subdiv on this, and this. It's at, okay, so it's at 50,000. That's still too high. But yeah, we got some culling to do. Oh, hang on, what's this? Hang on, how many polygons? Okay, not a lot. But yeah, we're at 45,500 right now. Got a lot to get. To get that low, you probably have to remove all the ingredients for flesh and have it just texture a bit of normals, I guess. Oh yeah, we could bake it down. Yeah, we could bake the, but yeah, that's a good idea. Baking to get the quest looking good is an excellent idea. But main objective is to get, that's the wrong, that one. Main objective is to get the main down to 70,000 because, oh, we didn't turn that. Because that's what we need to have it mobile. Yeah, 7,000 to get it mobile ready. Sorry, PC ready. Rain says, people call it Quest because of the Quest headset, but standalone is all devices that natively run on Android like Quest and, oh, Pico. Oh, yeah, Pico. Can just call it mobile as well. Okay. But yeah, that's the objective. What am I doing? Oh right, eyes. I'm gonna hide the booty for a minute. Eyes. Oh yeah, and I didn't. Oh, actually, maybe we might be closer than I thought because I didn't fully reduce the spine. That's quite heavy. I don't know. Maybe we could make it to 20k. I don't know. I've found that if you can get the subsurfed version below 70k, you can usually get the unsubsurfaced version down to 20k. So yeah, we got some optimizations to do. We got a lot of optimizing to do, but right now we're adding eyes. Whoops. We're adding eyes to our wings. So the way I think we're gonna do this is just by beveling these vertices here. I think I select all. Can I select together? Oh, I can! Excellent. Okay, so we're not going to do that right away. We're going to select all of these, either side. Turtle says, just use the decimate modifier, so that would look perfect. Maybe for the hair. Definitely not for the wings. Please don't. No. I know you're joking, but there might actually be something to that. Like, it ruins topology, but... Nah, probably not. Hey, welcome! Oh, great, 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 great. We added... Okay. So I did the thing. Remember when I promised to do the thing? I did the thing. That's the bridge. I'm not gonna bother booting up the bridge. This. Me. There you go. Me. Gray. Gray. Look, Gray, it's you. It's you. You're a bouncy little ball. So yes, I did the thing. You are now in the game. Congratulations. Yes, welcome back, Ray. We're currently working on adding eyes to the wings. Okay, I think that'll do. We need one all the way down there. Okay, so W, bevel vertices, make our little squares like that. Looks okay. Go ahead and grab each of these charming little squares. Ray says you can officially slam you against the walls. Abaddon. But yes, this allows us to have some interesting commands. Like so I want to have two commands. A free one that's just like jump, exclamation mark jump, that makes a little screen jump up just a little bit. But another one that's called yeet, like as a channel point redeem. And we can have yeet 100, yeet 200, yeet. Wait, 100, 200, 400, 800. And they'll all cost more and more channel points. And they'll yeet you by that amount of power in a, you know, direction. It'll pick a random direction, left or right, with a random degrees of, I think it was 20 or 40. So yeah, it'll just kind of like yeet you in a random direction of the power that you select, and I think that'll be fun. It seems like something that people are interested in. Let's go. Individual origin, normals, and extrude. Yeah. There. That work? The hell's going on? Oh, right, you've... Yeah, alright, so there's the faces, the one behind you that in the way, but that's okay. We don't mind. In fact, we can merge each of these. If I go here and go just collapse. Wait, did you extrude? No, you didn't extrude. Okay, so we're gonna grab each of these. And we're going to try that again. We're going to grab each of these faces. We're going to press E to extrude. And then we're going to M and collapse each of them into a point. Grab each of these. It says, ooh, love that. Yes. It's been requested by a couple of people. The jump one. Wait, a few people have requested jump, and a few people have requested, sorry, one person's requested eat. And I just thought it was a really good idea, so, nope. Bed? Yes. Alright, that doesn't work nearly as well as I was expecting it to. Oh well, it was worth a try. We don't want these fellas collapsed. We don't really want them extruded sitting on the top. Well, we'll figure something out eventually. Right, extruding again. Sending you down. How far back of you? Good enough. Now, we'll do that edge crease again. Okay, yeah, that works. Iron King says, this whole time I've been making a car in Minecraft. Oh, okay. How'd it go? Also, was that a Minecraft pun? Whole time? Also, so I'm gonna hide the... See, come back here. Oh, okay, so... Oh, these are all unneeded faces. All hidden. And, guys. Yeah, I've gotten rid of it on this side. I never got it rid of on this side. That's okay. Okay, so we want to keep that one and that one. That one. The rest of these, however, gotta go. Hide you. Yeah, ideal. Oh, okay. I'm King says it's a good working car with mods. Oh, okay. What mod packs are you using? Oh, sorry. What mods are you using? I don't know if you packs, but anyway. That. Oops. Wait, face. Great. There we go. Easy. Now let's go ahead and clean up all the... I don't need any of these faces. And go in here and in red. We don't have any red. Okay, let's add a new and new slot, and there it is. That's wonderful. Skyware rolls with advantage for headpads. Yay! Headpads. Oh, create mod. Oh, Chaos. Haven't you been playing with the create mod lately? Okay, so in the reference, these are like quite long on the edges. So we've got to go ahead and scale these out along their x-axis. And we might be able to do that locally. So, oh yeah, so global all of these edges. It's a bit tedious, but two, and then the plus two, 1 and 2. Median, yeah, individual origin, scale U and X. Nuts. I did this entirely wrong. I want to grab each edge loops, because otherwise it won't pick the median point. Sorry, it won't pick the individual origin property of this collection of faces. But grab but. Go. And try that again. Scale in X. There we go. That's exactly what we'll... Wait, no, it isn't. Hang on. We don't want to scale. We just want to get this outer edge, because we want the inside bit to stay circular, because that's where the eye goes. We want these outer bits to stretched out. I think. Yes, that's exactly what. Scale in X. Yeah, so these should deform these parts here around whatever the bones are doing, and then these parts here should stay same. Like stay attached to well, like where the bone joints are. Each of these is on, I think. But yeah, we just gotta find an eye or a bunch of eyes. Actually, I think I have a bunch of eyes already. And back of eye. Let's go. Pile. I had a whole pile of eyes. Oh, here we go. Eyeballs? There they are. Anyway, this isn't going to help with our poly count issue, but they look cool. Spread. Currently at individual origin. Scale these down individually. Y to move. Z to move them up. Back. There we go. There's our wing eyes peeking out. Okay, I think this would. We are gonna actually scale these up. I'm gonna get in here and scale. We're gonna have to scale these all in. Pain. Point. Yeah, just widen up each of these eye slits. Hate that. Gonna have to do this with the modifier turned on. Hi says the tutorial I'm watching is not working. Oh no. I mean, what's not working about it? I say. Or what about it isn't working? Gravity, physics, and control. Oh, okay. Is this a Godot? And what part's stumping you? The gravity, physics, or the controls? Oh man, it's really heckin' cool. The it's with the spine and the wings and the eyes and the hair. That's very creepy. Oh man, I wonder what it looks like with just the head and the spine and the wings. The control script isn't working. The physics body isn't doing anything. Um. Uh. I don't know if there's an easy way for me to help you troubleshoot this. Oh, well, okay, so first thing to check with the controls is, have you assigned... I don't know where you're at in learning level, so I apologize if this is patronizing, but have you assigned the input in Godot? It's okay. Um, so up here in project and project settings, you gotta go to your input map and then assign all the controls here, otherwise script won't, or the program won't know, be looking. I'm keeping an eye on chat while I keep working, so respond, I will there's a bit of lag, so yeah, I'm not ignoring you if you've responded and you're waiting for me to respond. It takes a while. Especially if your Twitch has gotten away from us. Which has been known to happen. Nobody! Yes! So hype. Eyeball. Got the eyeballs in the back row. Get rid of these. Anymore. I think I'm prepared now for the exam. Oh, awesome! Well done, nobody. Very hype. Green! Cross. Definitely gotta slide you across a bit. back the other way. I will rock this thing. Heck yeah, you will. You got this, nobody. Okie doke. These, scaled up so they fit the new eyes. Okay, that one's gonna be a tight fit, but oh well. Man, these are all gonna be tight fits. Oh dear. That's okay, I think I know how to fix it. Nobody says, I'm surprised how fast 3 years pass. It do be like that. That's quite the mood. And there's the back eyes. Alright, cool, so we've got a bunch of gnarly looking eyes peeking out from inside the wings. Beautiful. Let's bring the body back. Is this one? Nope. This one. There we go. There we go. Looking good. Ba-dum-bumps. COVID makes me feel old. Oh. Oh yeah, COVID was the thing, wasn't it? Good times. Alright, that's a lie. It was terrible times. It's awful. For some people more than others. Oh look, the little rabbit fox squungle is sleeping. Oh, he's a... I didn't mind it so much. Like for me, it was kind of like everyone was complaining about not going outside and being stuck online and all that stuff, and I was just like, yeah, welcome to my world. I don't know what you complain about. This is great. Now everyone's on my turf. You're all playing with my rules now. Ha ha ha. That's very cruel though. I know it was very rough for a lot of people. All right, yeah, I'm happy with these eyes. Oh, let's make a hole in the chest. Oh, we want to have an eye peeking out of here. You know what says I didn't mind not going out, but I felt like a criminal just for existing. Yeah, it was very yeah. I can understand that. Nobody says. Fox, question. When did you start doing art, and why did you choose the 3D art? I think I started art when I was like 5 years old. Watching Pokemons, I was absolutely enraptured by the little creatures. And every day after watching an episode of Pokemons, whatever new Pokemons I saw, I'd immediately rush off, find any scrap of paper and pencil I could, and I'd immediately try and draw them from memory. No idea why I was doing this. I just randomly started doing it, and yeah, over the years I accrued like this massive folder just chock full of Pokemons. Um, then yeah, I was just doing it because I honestly don't know. No one told me to do it. No one ever encouraged me. My parents were very unenthusiastic as to my existence in general. And it wasn't until like I my aunt saw me doing it that was just like, oh my god, this is like the coolest thing ever. I'm like, what? And she's like, yeah, this is great. I'm like, oh, wait, I can get praise for doing art? That's a thing that happens? And yeah. I'm watching this tutorial. Watching the tutorial I'm using. I've been, and I think it's out of date, unfortunately. Oh, are they using Godot 3? You definitely want to be using Godot 4 tutorials, because they changed a lot of things when they moved from Godot 3 to Godot 4. Like, a lot of things, so yeah, probably. But I started doing 3D art because there was a course at my local community college that, you know, doing 3D art. I just finished high school, and I was like, fuck it, let's give it a go. And, you know, from the very first day of just moving vertices around, I was like, fuck, this is the greatest thing ever. I love this. And yeah, originally I wanted to be a video game developer, like, you know, video game artist, environment artist, but as it turns out, the video game industry is kind of gross. Like, the corporate video game industry, they do not treat people like people in the video game industry. You're meat, at best. But I still really wanted to do something 3D, and eventually I decided, well, maybe character stuff might be fun. I thought, ooh, I know, maybe I like VTubers. Maybe I could be a VTuber modeler, and that's currently the current goal. There was a break in the middle where I tried to be a web developer. I'm not a coder. I can code. I don't. It's not what I'm built for though. Bob says I think it's 3. Yeah. Well, wait. You think you're so? If you want to find out which version you're using, you can just go up to the top. Help, and then about Godot, and then it'll tell you in there what version you're using. Oh, the aids are back. Oh, poor Rain. Nobody says that's cool. Thanks for answering. Welcome. Thanks for asking. Alright, let's go ahead and pull in a here. Get rid of the septum. That looks good. Rhubarb says, looking at my old 3D art, and it's just so dank. Yeah, but it's good to have that stuff to look back on. That's why I'm trying to take the time lapses of all these, because one thing I do regret is not actually keeping any of my art. And so I'm very much looking forward to watching these time lapses back in a couple of years' time, hopefully when I'm still doing this and being like, ah, those were the days. I knew nothing back then. Oh, what a silly buck I was for doing this. Because I know I'm gonna always improving. Scale this in. No, we want to scale and shift Z, like so. There we go. That's what. Scale shift X. Get this into a bit of a circle shape. Rubo says, I tried remaking the shining elevator scene, and it's so bad because I literally only had Adobe Dimension for use. What's Dimension? I dislike Adobe. I always have. I avoid them wherever possible. My class PC sucks, and my home PC can't handle 3D modeling software. But I did find very funny art. Awesome. Yeah, 3D modeling can be quite PC intensive. Okay, so we'll go ahead and set the mean increase of this to 1. I said set the mean increase of it to 1. That's good. And we'll go ahead and delete these. Interesting. Do we have... Ah, the subdivs are occurring before the mirror modifier. That's okay. We'll just move up to that. There we go. Yeah, we'll just grab one of these eyeballs. The main mesh. Oh, that's okay. Select and center. So split. Oh, hi. Hi, that's Iris all the way over there. I'm King Says. You know, I think the car is better now. Wonderful. Welcome back, Chaos. We had a bit of a story time. Shenanigans. Did some more work on the Angel. Showed off the Godot project for like the 50th time. Just the usual. Turtle says, yeah, I only started 3D modeling last year, and already I cringed at the awful thing I made at the start. Well, that's good. It means you're growing, you're improving. Try and resist the urge to delete the things though, because eventually you'll get to the point where you'll wish you had them. I promise. Chaos says, nobody says, welcome back, Chaos. King says, oh, I read it. Rubo says, it was literally my only exploration in the Adobe Dimension. Oh, okay. Chaos says, hello, nobody. Odd thing to say. I love watching Rain cruise around, just chasing people to rain on. King says, at True Chaos, Fox explained his life. I am building a car with Create Mod, and that is all. Wait, no. There's more. Reverb is, working Godot stuff. Just nobody is studying. Wait, no. Hang on. I might have this the wrong way around. Never mind. I'm terrible with names. I'm sorry. Total said I've made 3 avatars now in that time. Whoa, that's a lot. I'm so proud of where I'm at. Yeah, that's a lot of avatars to make. Heck yeah. Chaos says I made myself a rule that I can't delete any of my drawings. I still have my shitty old drawings. That's good. I'm proud of you. Rain says, is there any way I could make my Scrungle idle for longer? We could swap the lurk. We could change the lurk from being a, the misty thing into just a static raining thing. If you want. I can't set, or I don't want to go in and make settings for individual users to have different, idle times. That's a lot of work. Especially for something I don't want to do any more work on. Just nobody says you only get better at anything with practice. It's like walking. Huh? It's like walking. No one will be able to run at this first day, but every day you try, one day you'll be able to run. Sure. Okay, so we're gonna split these eyeballs in half. Because the mirror modifier is going to do the mirroring for us. G, X, and snap you to there. There we go. So we've got a full eyeball from the halves with the mirror modifier. There. In. Take you like so. Up. Want to grab you in everything but X. Get you into possession. That. Okay, that looks good. So let's do some speaking. Ike, welcome! Whoa, 55 streak! Good job! Rain says, no worries, I code as well, so I know how these things work. Well, it's more that I want to focus more on the Godot application. Like, I don't want to do any more work on the web app. I could possibly introduce that into the Godot app when I get around to coding up that bit. But yeah, for the web app, nah, I don't want to do any more work on that. Ike says, can't stay nor listen today. Friends, on call, take care. Okay, thank you so much for dropping by, Ike. Got rain. It is rain. Rain is raining. Fill in make a I'm King says, yo, this fox is telling me you also play create? I do not. I mean, I give it a try, but no, right now I'm focused on Cobblemon. Ike says, thank you, friend. Appreciate it. I promise I'll have it ready soon. No rush, buddy. Hato. Toto says, yay for rain! Indeed. Absolutely yay for rain. All the yay for rain. Go ahead and bring down. Oh, we don't up. Come on, tape yourself. There you go. Like this. Oh. Alright, cool. Got a little hole in the chest with an eye peeking out. We've got the septum sternum here. I'll bring up that. Alright, that's looking very nice. I'm actually quite liking these extra rib holes. Makes it look a little bit creepier. They did say they wanted a little bit of creep in there. So yeah, especially from this angle, very organic. But yeah, I think we're pretty happy with the general setup. We just got to do the face and go through and do a whole lot of culling. We got so many polygons. We got to, yeah, we've gone from 90 to 100,000. So we've added another 10,000 polygons that we need to clean up. Not great, but hey, is what it is. Like these eyes, for example, these have way too many polygons. Yeah, you don't even need subsurf. You have enough polygons. But yeah, these eyes need to be, that only gives us an extra couple of hundred polygons. Yeah, I think next episode is going to be all about it's going to be all about polygon culling. Or should we do the face? I think, okay, so we got to either do the face or do the polygon culling. Got a lot of polygons we need to cull. Like a lot of polygons. I don't think we're even going to be able to make it to 70k. That's a very high very high bar to reach. Very high bar. Definitely want to see you rigging all this. Oh! Nobody, we've already started rigging. I like to rig as I go just to make sure everything works. Check this. Eee. It's a little scuffed, but obviously that bandage is struggling a little down there. But here's an example of how the button's gonna move. We've got twist bones in the hands or in the wrists. We rotate an X. It's running very slow. Yeah, that's the twist bones in the arms. He's got extra elbow bones to keep facing. These aren't weight painted yet. Well, they were weight painted, but we lost the weight painting with weight painting. But yeah. And then you've got the fingers. Each finger also has like an extra bone coming out of the top. Make sure these individual components fit correctly. Individual origin, local, and then rotate all these fellas in Z. That's how that deforms. But yeah. Also, we've got rigging for the wings set up. I think I've shown you these already, but in case I haven't, wings ready, rotate and splay and split when they go maximum section, and then they crumple up and fold into each other when we go bring them together like that. Yeah, that's that rigging's already well on the way. Also plan to add in. Why am I controlling? Also planning on adding some extra bones into the hips, the belly, and these. I think these are obliques. These side plates will be have their own bones, so they'll have jiggle and they'll also have constraints. So when it deforms, they'll stay intact. Also want to have knee bones, and yeah, the feet haven't been touched at all. It's rigging's already started. Oh, actually, hang on. Here's something I'm very proud of. We've got a little constrained bone in here that helps to keep this underarm. Oh wow, that eye's parent to entirely the wrong thing, but yeah. So it keeps this little bone in here helps keep this underarm volume from getting wonky. Really nice from under here. Like yeah, looks like she's actually got tendons in here that are trying to point in that direction. Down. How it deforms. But don't mind that eye. It's because we duplicated that over. Struggled a little. But yeah, the deformation on the underarm is really working. All these time lapses. Yeah, the time lapses kind of get a bit interesting. But yeah, we're already well on the way to getting the rigging in. But we're almost at 3 hours, and I do like to keep it at 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours. But I'm feeling quite tired right now. I didn't have my pre-stream nap. God, I sound like such a grey fox when I say that. But I'm running a bit short on sleep because I stayed up very late, working on working on the Godot Scrungle thing, and I kind of want to get back to that. And I don't like to code on stream because coding eats up like the language parts of my brain. Whoa! Chaos is at 185 stream streak. That's incredible! My goodness. How's that only worth 450 points? Chaos, did I tell you about my scheme to have eatable scrungles. Oh, actually, so while I was working on the scrungles thing, I I took a peek. Hugbugs. Nah. I took a peek at the Bulbapedia, and I was thinking it might be cool some of the like old Pokemon sprites from like Gen 4 and have like a on skin version. Anyway, I thought that'd be fun. But also talking about spending points. Oh wow, 19! Incredible! And you used a load of dice too. Ah, thanks, Chaos. That is a big hug. That's a huge hug. Um, just crit hugged me. Right. Oh yeah, so yeet. So jump as like a free command that you can use, but then yeet as a redeem, and you can have yeet 100, yeet 200, yeet 400, yeet 800, and it'll cost a certain amount of points. And depending on how big the number is, you'll shoot in like a semi-random direction at that speed. So yeah, I feel like that'll be fun. You know, I'll just be here working, and all of a sudden I'll just see a Scrungle yeet across the screen and bounce around. I just feel like that'd be so much fun for me, and I think it'd also be fun for you guys. I'll just be here working on an eye, and then all of a sudden just a random chaos yeets across my screen, bounces around. It'd be fun. I'm really looking forward to this. But yeah, that's what I want to get onto now. Oh, like I was saying, I don't like to code while I'm streaming because coding for some reason shuts down my ability to talk. And I don't want to stream in dead silence. Like, I know that works for some people, and I do respect the streamers who have those very chill streams, but that's not what I'm about. um, so yeah, as I said, I do respect streamers who do that. Yeah, it's not for me. I want to bevel this. Can I bevel this? Bit of a bevel as a trait. Bevel edges. E. Hmm. Ah, I know. Bevel. Smidge. Then we'll go ahead and grab this edge. Put in. Down. That much. So that the armor can kind of here. Then, go ahead and grab this. Crane says, I can't code and listen to music with lyrics. Ah, interesting. You know, I think I do the same. I don't really listen to music at all. I'm mostly quiet on my streams. That's okay. Like I said, I respect that. Some people love the second screen, just chill and occasionally, you know, tripping in. Um, but that's not the kind of content I feel comfortable making. If that makes any sense. Like, I respect people who do make that stuff. It's just not for me. Like, nothing against it. I think it's great. Just, not what I want to do. Okay, yeah, so we've got a little bit of a... So... Beans. I'd also like to do a little bit of work on the shader, but that's a off-stream thing, because it's similar to coding. I tend to have to lock in with that. See, with art stuff, doing art stuff doesn't occupy the language parts of my brain at all, so I can yap hours while I'm arting, no problems. But while I'm doing anything like complicated, like especially coding or like even shader stuff, it takes up too much brain power. Just nobody says I can't code in general. I'm too dumb for that. You don't know that. You might surprise yourself. It takes a particular kind of smart to be good at coding. I've met people who, some extremely dumb people, who just happen to be like dumb in every other aspect you can imagine, lovingly. But when it comes to coding, they just that particular part of their brain is so switched on. They just fucking nail it. They're just phenomenal at it. So give it a go. Just because you feel like you're not great in other aspects of your life, you might just happen to be really, really good at coding. But it's okay if you're not. Everyone's good at something. Rain says, so I assume that VR chat world you thought about doing wouldn't be streamed. I definitely stream the art. I'd 100% stream doing the art assets. Maybe like the level design stuff, but any coding I do off stream. Yeah, not coding, not for me. Chaos says, literally me, but with meth. I mean math. Anyway, so if anyone has anyone they're a fan of, that they'd like to guide the raid to, speak now or forever hold your peace. I'm 100% up for anyone who wants to guide a raid. Otherwise, let's see if also the one day I have YouTube chat open, no one takes me up on it. Let's see. Streaming. The Koke, we raided Koke yesterday. We can always do them again, but let's try and find someone else first. Moo Cat. Moo Cat's nice. We like Moo Cat. Oh dang, we raiding? Yeah, I'm a bit tired. I like to stream between 3 and 4 hours. I'm doing 3 hours. Like 3 hours is like my minimum, my bare minimum. And whoa, we are. Oh, okay. Let's get that off. Yeah, 3 hours is like my minimum. 4 hours is like my maximum, and I'm feeling kind of tired today. I feel like I'm gonna start crashing if if I don't, yeah, run off and hide in study hall. I made their avatar. Oh, Crafty Builder. Okay. Crafty Builder. Let's take a peek. Is that how you spell it? Can you send me like the exact spelling? Like copy paste their name so I can copy paste it into Twitch? Crafty Builder underscore. Okay. What about Ezzy the Bad? Huh? Check them out too. Like to at least check out Crafty Builder. It's, Builder underscore. Oh, cute. Okay. They have one viewer. Like I do like to raid smaller streamers. Let's check. Let's just raid this. The bat. Oh, cute. Oh, they have a lovely chat. I think that might be I don't think that's a custom one. I think that's a pre-built or prefab from I feel like new would approve. They only have 5 viewers, which is good. Oh, it's 18 plus though. We have a lot of I don't think everyone will be able to join us if we go getting 18 plus. And clothing. Any other requests? Bats. Yes, we love bats. Um says, ooh, bats and 18 plus. I'm going there regardless. Right, that's fair. Little guy is currently. Oh, little guy's doing a. What the heck is that? Oh, it's Tuesday. Okay. Yeah. Does anyone want to like guide the raid to little guy is awesome? Little guy is awesome. Um. But yeah. We have any preferences, chat? We got little guy who's currently doing this. I think they're doing some sort of animation. I don't know what this is down the bottom. Oh, that's some kind of modifier? We got Ezzy the Bat, who is doing 18 plus poses and clothing. Not everyone will be able to join us if we go along with them, so but that's definitely an option. I'm biased. I'm friends with Crafty. Or we have Crafty, who is currently streaming Resident Evil 3 and has a lovely avatar that Herb made, Shark included. Okay, we gonna add another one to the list. Sure, Shark included. Kind of hoping for someone to help us pick one. But yeah. Oh, they've got ads. Uh, oh, they're currently doing a lock-in with me, coding, co-working, and studying. Maybe? Stop adding stuff. They don't have the ads yet. Oh, there we go. Oh, they're currently in BRB. Oh, that's very cute. But yes. Oh wait, that's not Electric Shark being here. That's the bot shouting them out. I've got a little bot that I wrote little things. I wrote a whole bunch of little things for a bunch of streamers that I'm friends with, and it just automatically shouts them out and yeah, says, "Yay, thank you, you're awesome, love you." But yeah, do we have any preferences? We've got shark included. We like sharks. Very chompy coated. We love sharks. Um, got Ezzy the Bat, 18 plus. We've got little guy, just doing a little guy, and we've got crafty builder. Do we have any takers? Bidding starts at one hug. Can I get a hug? Can I get a paw? All right. Can we get one foxtail? Come on, chat. Help me out here. We got four lovely streamers on offer. Okay, nobody's going sharks. I was kind of hoping you'd like pick one. Like, thanks for the pause, but not exactly what I was going for. Love watching Rain cruise. Rain's got so. Oh man, I'm so proud of Rain, this little guy. Well, like I said, Rain, if you'd like to like pick a spot just to rain on, we can swap you from Lurk over to. I'm going for the shark. Okay. Shark. Okay, so we've got two for sharks. Let's go. So, shark it is. They're currently in BRB, so hopefully they'll be back by the time we're ready to raid. But oh, they've got a cute like old. I think I had one of those when I was a kid. Those super old school MP3 players. Well, what I was thinking is we could make it so that your lurk is just you in one spot, just raining, and then make your sleeping one the mist version. Like make it so you're misty when you're away, but if you want to lurk on a particular spot, then you can set yourself to sorry, if you want to stay in a particular spot and just rain on that one spot, you set yourself to lurk if you want. We can make that tweak. That's a pretty easy tweak. But yeah, we'll keep an eye on them. And as soon as they come back on live, we'll hit them up for a raid. I guess we're going a bit over time. They have a. I love their aesthetic. It's got a kind of like a very Omori coded, very Omori coded. Um, but yeah, it was really fun. Oh, we're not going just yet. We're waiting for Shark included to come back online so we can raid them. I don't want to raid them while they're absent. Rain says sounds like a good solution for the longer. Oh, for the longer idle. I just wanted to rain on someone sleeping. Ah, yes, yes. Okay, so we'll make your lurk one. So tomorrow is my 1 day off a week. Wait, it is tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow is the 1 day I take off a week. Overtime bugs. Yeah, more fucks, more good. Oh, hi, Freddy. You're still here. Yay. Um. So yes, tomorrow is my 1 day after I take a week. So no stream tomorrow. But the day after is our Scrungle stream, where we're going to be continuing on with Turtles, the life thing. So Turtle, if you're free, love to have you along. But I think we've got all the keyframes. So I think we're good. Just to go on with that. But yeah, tomorrow we're gonna. Sorry, tomorrow I'm taking the day off. Thursday we're working on. I've been lurking around. We love a good lurk. I'll be working on the Scrungles, and we'll update Rain's Scrungle so that their lurk is just idling. So their lurk is raining in one spot. Um, and yeah, and then yeah, there's a schedule up on the Discord. Oh, I'll also post that to the Blue Sky and the Twitter for people who aren't on Discord. Um, yeah, and if you want to join the Discord, I guess I should probably. There's a link in the About page. There's a link to all my socials. There's a link to the Discord if you want to come join us. Over there, I'll be chilling in the Discord after stream, just in study hall working my coding stuff. Fair warning, I don't yap much while I'm coding. I kind of become a little bit autistic, to be honest. Ah yes, Shark's back. Okay, so slash raid Shark. So thank you to for everyone for coming. Big thanks to Abdullah Mason for the follow, and thank you so much. Next. Sorry. Thank you so much to Ruba Pie and Just Nobody for the subs. I really do appreciate it. Like I know money's tight these days, and I don't want to put any pressure on anyone to like sub or anything like that. But I do appreciate it when people do this. I hope you enjoy the emotes. I put a lot of work into those sub emotes, so I hope you appreciate them. And yeah, thank you so much for all the support. Thank you all so much for everyone for coming. I really appreciate the company. Couldn't do this without you. I get very lonely when no one shows up to streams. So yes, I very much appreciate everyone for coming along. You're amazing. I love all your faces, and I will see you next time. Bye.
A raid. Welcome in Sleepy Fox. I wanted to raid you this time, damn. How was your stream? What did you do? Normally I draw, but I am studying today. Oh. What did you work on? Like, did you finish anything? That O sounded so depressed, LMAO. Sometimes they works and sometimes it doesn't. Also just nobody. I also love sharks, so here is a good place to be.